Have you ever wondered how your body is aging or why some people seem more vibrant the older they get?
Those are just some of the questions a doctor here at Northwestern is trying to answer. And in the name of science, our Charlie DeMar participated in this aging study.
At 100 years old, William Taylor hasn't lost a step.
I've had my fun.
Dr. Douglas Vaughn wants to know why people like Taylor are better at getting old.
We are in a place where the biology of aging has been demystified. If we can slow down aging just a little bit, we can push back the onset of disease, and we can give people a longer health span.
4.
The cardiologist is leading research into the difference between a person's chronological age, how many years they've lived, and their biological age, how old their body actually is.
Strawberries.
The foundation of his research came from a small Amish community in Indiana, where he found that about 10% of the population with a particular genetic variation live on average 10 years longer.
They can teach us a lot about what's required for healthy aging to take place.
That work has evolved into an international examination of aging Vaughn leads at Northwestern Medicine's Potocsnak Longevity Institute.
As you get older, you want to know, am I going to stay sharp?
Kalinda Marshall is a study participant.
Being able to be a representative from minority community is really important because I want to know, how does this information measure up to people like me?
It'll take a picture of the back of your eye with a really bright flash.
They use a series of tests to calculate biological age, including a scan of your retina.
Keep your eyes open.
Analyze your movements.
All right, and you can stop.
I'm going to give you a swim cap.
All right.
Measure your body composition in a machine called a bod pod.
Just relax, breathe normally.
And an electrocardiogram for heart function. Then AI scours the mountain of data to come up with a number.
Perfect.
So your biological age is being read as 4 years younger than your chronological age. Sounds good.
Dr. Josh Chima is a cardiologist on the project.
Artificial intelligence gives us the opportunity to find patterns in the data that we can't find with our eyes, that we can't detect with a human brain.
The work here has special focus on people in marginalized communities and those living with long-term medical problems.
We are really interested in finding out ways to slow down aging in people that are disadvantaged.
A network of similar labs on 3 continents is in the works. In Japan, pills that mimic the genetic variation that helps Amish live longer has done the same thing for mice in trials.
So theoretically, we could bring this Amish advantage to everybody.
To the masses. Looks great.
Steps towards a longer and healthier life.
So under the best of circumstances, going to the doctor's office can be pretty nerve-wracking. Picture your cameras, lights, and all that, but some really good information, some good feedback going through all these tests with all of it.
All right, young man, what is your secret then? Are you exercising every day, eating no sugar?
Nothing.
5 years, 4
no,
years
I'm
younger?
no biohacking. There's some people out there spending millions of dollars to try and cut back on their biological age, just working out, trying to watch what I eat. Easier said than done.
So your biological age is 17? Is that basically?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
What about this this pill though? Is that does that literally alter the DNA? Is that what they've done with this?
So that pill that we were talking about at the end of the piece in early studies right now is showing promise in mice trials right now. So still people aren't undergoing this test, but they are trying to replicate that gene found in the Amish community. Again, about 10% of the community there live on average 10 years longer than other people.
I want to know about this pod.
Yes,
I was asking about that. Yeah, how did that feel when you were in there?
It's like going up in an airplane when your ears pop is kind of what it felt like. So you're not trapped in there, but voluntarily went in there with the nice folks at Northwestern. In there for a few minutes. It's about 45-second cycles, and it's measuring your body composition. Couldn't tell you what it's doing actually, but they told me that's what it was doing, and there's a couple cycles where it's testing it. So a whole host of tests being poked and prodded, but all to really get some useful information.
Great news for you.
Quick question, is it just study or can anybody take part in this?
It's a study. They've been looking for volunteers, and it's an ongoing study at Northwestern.
I want to see Charlie in the bod pod about a year from now. Some things might be changing for you.
We won't be sharing that on TV.
Thanks, Charlie.